Hi guys, today I'm going to change the look of my study table, or you can say a console table. I'm actually using it as a console table now. This is the before look of how it actually looked. It was got bought from Ikea. I've got these knobs from Ikea again, and let's see how it looks like now. So the only thing I did was remove the old handle which was on the top, and it was silver, and I've changed it to a brass color, and it goes with the whole look.